training that is so intimate and deep, you really want to have someone who loves what they're doing and can put all the heart in it and have the skills so that it really comes across. And that training was that very much.
I really came here to learn more about Tantric bodywork from a professional point of view.
Course material was fantastic as a practitioner. It gave me real hands-on practical skills that will help me in my work.
I loved learning about the giving, how we connected not only to ourselves and the receiving, but also about connecting to the divine.
In activities like that, it's extremely important that you feel completely safe, otherwise nothing really happens. So even more than in other topics, it's super important that the space is held in a very safe, clear, grounded manner. And not only Buddhi, but also his team, they're all the time aware of the whole space. That there's no slippage, no leakage somewhere. It's really very solid. And that creates a room where the most beautiful things can happen.
I love the integrity of it all. I felt completely safe throughout, and I learned so much.
What I loved about the training was the combination of skill and love that was provided.
For me, as a beginner, it felt very safe and welcomed and home. The space is actually soft and sweet, and also supported by the crew. And I really felt, helped and also seen in a way that I can do my own stuff and then back up. It was really, I felt good with that. Yeah.
To reconnect with this amazing kind of ISTA atmosphere that that I want to keep alive. Yeah, I think the thing that I really appreciate most is this amazing, loving and safe container that you create while we're doing so much super vulnerable work. And I felt very free and open to go deep and peel off layers of whatever was alive, and moments of deep grief and great joy and everything in between. It's just so real and so important to be in touch with all these superhuman feelings. So thank you for that.